Did you get that? Did you get that? I got it. Okay. Today we're going to talk about the musical alphabet. The musical alphabet is kind of like the building blocks to most Western music. So it's as easy as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You don't have to go all the way to Z. But there are 12 notes in an octave, which is like from A to A, right? And A, B, C, D, E, F, G is only 7, right? So those are called the natural notes. Those are all the white keys on the piano. Those are the notes that make up the C major scale, okay? So how do we get to 12, right, if there's only 7? We do that by using a couple of signs. So we use a sharp sign to show when it's one note up from a natural note, and we use a flat sign to show when it's one note down from the natural note. So for example, to go an A sharp, right? A is the second string on the guitar here. You go from A to A sharp, we go up 1 fret on the guitar. That's like, it's also 1 half step higher or 1 minor second higher. So, da, da, right? So A sharp. Think about like a tack is going up and it's pointing, so it's A sharp, a sharp tack. Versus like B flat when we're going down from the natural note. B flat when we go down from the natural note. Then it's like a flat tire. It's getting low. Okay. And what did that look like on paper? Well, okay, we got sharp. That looks like the number sign. Flat, that looks like a lowercase b. And usually, if it doesn't have a sharp or a flat, then you can assume the note is natural. So like, for example, these A's, those are natural. But if you're in a key that has sharps or flats, and there's an accidental, which means that it's written with another note, and it's natural. It's got that sign. It's kind of a cool sign. All right, now we're gonna look at this alphabet just for a second. So we got A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. All right, so between A and A sharp, we said there's 1 fret, A and B flat, same amount. So that means A sharp and B flat are actually the same note. Those are enharmonic notes. So an enharmonic note, that just means that it's a different name for the same pitch or the same sound, same frequency. Note, sound, frequency, in this case they're all synonyms, right? So A sharp and B flat, that's an example of an enharmonic note. Now you may notice in this alphabet, there's no B sharp or C flat, and there's no E sharp or F flat, right? So that's, if you think about a piano, there's 2 instances where the white keys don't have a black key in between them, and that's between B and C and between E and F. So the only time you'll ever have a B sharp is in the key of C sharp. The only time you'll ever have an E sharp is in the key of F sharp. And that B sharp is really sounds the same as a C. So what do we call it? That's an enharmonic. Those are enharmonic notes. Okay, so now we're gonna play it one at a time so you can see how it works out on the guitar, and we're gonna also talk real quick about a cool octave trick on the guitar. So if you've got open A here, right? So to find the next A, right, we might go 1, skip a string, go to the G string, and 2 frets up, there's another A. So that whole drill that I was playing at the beginning of this, that's how you find the next octave on these low strings. It works on the E and the D string as well. Right? Okay, so we're gonna just walk through it here. We got A, B flat or A sharp, sorry, in harmonic notes. And we got B, C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F. See, there was no F sharp, or there was no E sharp there. We went straight from E to F. Then we got F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, and then lastly we're up to A. A lot of guitars have this double dot pattern on the 12th fret, letting you know you're back to the beginning, right? Okay, so that's today's Did You Get That? And that's the musical alphabet.